Have you ever been overwhelmed by your thoughts, as though they possessed a will of their own? The Buddha, in his timeless wisdom, once remarked, "Rule your mind, or it will rule you." This profound insight is the guiding principle of our journey today, as we explore how to prevent your thoughts from gaining dominion over you. Our minds often seem like unruly sovereigns, dictating our emotions and actions with an endless stream of thoughts. But what if you could unlock the secret to mastering your mind's turbulent realm? Today we delve into 13 Buddhist wisdom tips that provide not only enlightenment but also practical methods to achieve mental serenity and regain control over your thoughts. As we journey through these ancient yet timeless teachings, you will learn to observe your thoughts without attachment, engage deeply with the present moment, and cultivate a serene mind. Each piece of wisdom is a step towards not only understanding your thoughts, but also guiding them in ways that enhance your inner peace and mental clarity. Imagine a life where your thoughts no longer disturb your peace, but instead contribute to a balanced and harmonious existence. By the conclusion of this exploration, you shall be equipped with the tools not merely to coexist with your thoughts, but to flourish amidst them, fostering a state in which they support rather than disrupt your well-being. Join me on this journey of self-discovery and empowerment as we unlock the secrets to ruling our thoughts with wisdom and grace rather than being ruled by them. Remember, mastering your mind is not solely about diminishing the noise, it is about awakening to a more mindful and peaceful version of yourself. In Buddhism, the nature of thoughts is central to understanding the mind itself. Thoughts are seen as ephemeral and insubstantial, much like clouds drifting across the vast sky of the mind. By observing our thoughts without attachment, we recognize their transient nature, cultivating a sense of inner peace and clarity. Mindfulness meditation is a foundational practice that aids in developing awareness and non-attachment. By focusing on your breath, you learn to observe thoughts as they arise and pass without becoming entangled in them. This practice not only enhances mental clarity, but also fosters a deep sense of peace. Focused attention meditation is another essential technique wherein one concentrates on a single point, such as the breath or a mantra, to train the mind and reduce the influence of intrusive thoughts. This practice sharpens concentration and fosters emotional equilibrium. Finally, Zazen, a cornerstone of Zen Buddhism, is a seated meditation practice that transcends simple mindfulness. It is a profound discipline of being fully present, allowing thoughts to pass without attachment, and cultivating a deep sense of inner peace. Through these practices, you will master the art of ruling your thoughts with wisdom and grace, leading to a life of greater peace, clarity, and harmonious existence. Engaging in the practice of Zazen fosters a profound understanding of the self and the nature of reality, both central tenets of Zen teachings. Through Zazen, one cultivates a mind that is calm, focused, and resilient, enabling one to navigate life's challenges with greater ease and clarity. This practice not only aids in managing thoughts, but also in achieving a more balanced and harmonious state of being. Unlike other forms of meditation that seek a specific state of mind, Zazen emphasizes the observation of whatever arises: thoughts, feelings, sensations without attachment or judgment. This approach illuminates the transient nature of thoughts and reveals the fundamental emptiness of the self. The simplicity of sitting and observing the mind may seem effortless, yet it is a rigorous practice of discipline and awareness. The importance of Zazen in Zen cannot be overstated. It is through this practice that Zen practitioners strive to experience Kensho, a profound insight into one's true nature, revealing the non-duality of life. Regular practice of Zazen gradually strips away the layers of delusion that obscure self-understanding and perception of the universe. On a practical level, Zazen offers numerous benefits, such as enhanced focus, reduced stress, and increased emotional resilience. Beginning a Zazen practice can be a transformative endeavor. Here are some practical tips to get started. 1. Find a quiet space. Choose a tranquil, clutter-free area where you can sit without interruptions. 2. Adopt the position. Use a cushion or chair and sit with your legs crossed, maintaining a straight yet relaxed posture. Rest your hands on your thighs or in the cosmic mudra, with the tips of your thumbs gently touching. 3. Gaze and breath. Softly gaze at a point about a meter in front of you on the floor to minimize visual distractions. Focus on your breath, allowing it to flow naturally without control. Embracing the simplicity and discipline of Zazen helps practitioners delve deeper into the nature of their thoughts and existence. It emphasizes the practice of shikantaza, just sitting where there is no specific focus other than being completely present. Zazen cultivates a profound level of self-awareness and presence, guiding practitioners toward understanding the interconnectedness of all things. This practice not only provides mental clarity, but also fosters a deep sense of inner peace and contentment. To further enhance your Zazen practice, set a regular schedule. Consistency is key. Try to practice Zazen at the same time each day to build a routine. Start with short sessions. Begin with 5 to 10 minutes and gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable. Be patient. Progress in Zazen takes time. Initial restlessness or frustration is normal, but with regular practice, these feelings will diminish. By committing to Zazen, you embark on a journey of self-discovery and spiritual growth, peeling away the layers of illusion to reveal your true nature. This practice transcends mere thought management, transforming your entire approach to life by cultivating a state of being that is balanced, aware, and deeply connected to the present moment. When thoughts surface during Zazen, the key is to acknowledge them without becoming entangled. Simply observe them and let them pass, gently returning your attention to your breath or posture. This practice of non-attachment helps maintain focus and cultivates a calm mind. As Zen master Shunryu Suzuki famously said, "The most important thing is to remember that all things are one thing, and one thing is all things." Zazen teaches this interconnectedness, offering a gateway to deeper understanding of life and our place within it. Engaging in Zazen enriches the practitioner's life with profound spiritual insights and a lasting sense of inner peace. Tip number 5: walking meditation. In the noble pursuit of mindfulness, the practice of walking meditation emerges as a most esteemed complement to the traditional seated meditation. This venerable art transforms the simple act of walking into a profound exercise of mindfulness, wherein each step becomes an opportunity to anchor one's awareness in the present moment, allowing the mind to be fully attuned to the sensations of movement and the surrounding environment. To embark upon this meditative journey, one should first seek a quiet and peaceful path, free from the distractions of the world. Upon finding such a place, it is of utmost importance to set an intention, a solemn vow to remain present and mindful throughout the practice. As one begins to walk, the pace should be comfortable, and the focus should be on the sensations within the feet and legs, feeling each step as it connects with the earth. In this meditative state, it is essential to maintain presence, fully engaging with the experience, noticing the sights, sounds, and sensations that accompany the act of walking. Should the mind begin to wander, it must be gently guided back to the physical sensations, ensuring that awareness remains rooted in the moment. When the path comes to an end, one must pause to reflect, observing any shifts in mental state or awareness that have arisen during the practice. Walking meditation, though simple in its execution, offers a most refreshing way to integrate mindfulness into daily life, allowing one to cultivate a profound sense of presence and awareness while traversing the world. Indeed, one may find profound serenity by engaging with the natural world as a focus for meditation. To gaze upon the gentle flow of a river or the rhythmic waves of a tranquil lake is to invite a mesmerizing calm into the mind, sharpening one's focus and deepening the meditative state. Similarly, beholding the vastness of a mountain, its unwavering stability, evokes a peace and durability within, anchoring one's meditation in steadfast tranquility. To incorporate nature into one's meditative practice is not merely to diversify the experience, but to significantly enhance it. The inherent beauty and tranquility of nature provide an ideal setting, one that may ease the mind into a meditative state more readily than indoor environments often can. Here, in the embrace of nature, one's thoughts are gently grounded and awareness of the present moment is heightened. The intricate dance of leaves fluttering, the melody of birdsong, each detail of the natural world serves to capture and hold one's attention, pulling consciousness firmly into the now. Moreover, meditating amidst nature's splendor offers additional psychological benefits, improving mood, reducing stress, and increasing overall well-being. The vast landscapes, and raw beauty of the natural world remind practitioners of the grand scale of existence and the fleeting nature of personal concerns, thereby putting one's worries into perspective. In sum, using nature as a focal point for meditation not only enriches the practice, but also taps into our innate affinity for the natural world. This connection fosters a deeper appreciation for life as it unfolds and cultivates mental clarity and emotional balance. The profound presence developed through such practices can carry over into everyday life, enhancing one's ability to remain present and engaged in every moment. As for embracing silence, it is not merely the absence of sound, it is a powerful medium for introspection and spiritual awareness. In the hallowed practice of Zen, silence is revered as a means to foster deep reflection and mental clarity. When the external noises fade, one begins to notice the internal chatter that often clutters the mind. By embracing silence, one can listen not to the world, but to the subtle nuances of one's own mind and heart, revealing insights often drowned out by the cacophony of daily life. Moreover, silence reflects our true nature, untouched by the transient external world, where one can experience a profound sense of peace and unity with the universe, aligning with the core aspirations of Zen. Integrating periods of silence into one's daily routine can be both refreshing and transformative, offering a refuge for the mind and soul. To incorporate silence into one's life, consider practical approaches such as 1. Silent meals. Choose one meal each day to be eaten in complete silence, free from the distractions of television, music, or electronic devices. Focus solely on the act of eating, savoring the flavors, textures, and sensations, and embrace the quietness as an opportunity to be present with oneself. 2. Silent walks. Establish a routine of walking alone in silence, whether in a park or simply around your neighborhood. Use this time to disconnect from digital interruptions and reconnect with your surroundings, paying attention to the details of the natural world. 3. Dedicated silent time. Carve out specific times each day for silence, ideally in the early morning or late at night when distractions are minimal. Use this time for sitting quietly, meditating, or simply being present in the moment. 4. Silent driving. If driving is part of your routine, occasionally try doing so in silence by turning off the radio and your phone. Focus on the act of driving and observe your thoughts without the clutter of additional noise. 5. Silent zones at home. Designate certain areas of your home as silent zones, where electronic devices and loud activities are prohibited, creating an environment conducive to silence and reflection. By embracing these practices, one can begin to appreciate the calmness and clarity that silence brings. Silence not only reduces stress, but also enhances mental health by heightening awareness and allowing for a deeper connection with one's inner self. These moments of quiet become not just a refuge, but also a space for growth and self-discovery, profoundly impacting overall well-being and mental clarity. The noble practice of gratitude, particularly through the maintenance of a gratitude journal or daily reflections, transcends mere thankfulness. It is a refined approach to redirect one's focus from the shadows of life's challenges to the radiant abundance that surrounds us, thereby enhancing overall well-being. In the act of gratitude journaling, one regularly records moments, people, or things that evoke a sense of thankfulness. This could be as simple as noting 3 blessings at the close of each day. Such reflections serve to shift one's perspective, illuminating the abundance in life rather than dwelling on perceived lack. Similarly, daily gratitude reflections invite one to pause each day, appreciating the good, be it a sunlit morning or the steadfast support of a beloved,